guys, my name is Mayak and welcome to my channel. My pronouns are he, him, and I am here to do some luxury unboxings, talk about fashion, talk about my jewelry, all those kind of things. So if that's the thing you guys are interested in, click the subscribe button or the follow button or whatever the buttons. I'm very new to all this, so I'm very excited to try it all. I know there's a lot of people out there that do this, but I want to give you my he, him male perspective. A me male's POV, a gay man in the 20th century. Then subscribe and see what I have to say. Or don't subscribe, but just watch this video. You have 5 minutes of your life. See if you like it, see if you don't. I don't know. Okay? Welcome to my channel. Woo! Should we do a small one next? Or should we do a small one last? I might do a small one last. We're gonna do this one last, okay? This one's last. So, you chill. You chill right here, dude. Okay, we'll catch up with him later. Alright, next, we're gonna do this one. If this is too long, I'll cut it into parts. Okay, so here, talk amongst yourselves while I think I got it. Oh, yeah. All right. Okay. This, I mean, you know, this bag identifies what it is because they only do one thing into this bag, usually. Another one of these ribbons.
I'm going to tell you because just to save time.
Okay. This, I got literally the most classic thing you can get. So, what did I get?
What did I get? Oh, that's ready.
Alrighty. Alright, if I'm being like, yo, I want comments exactly what you think of my etiquette and performance. I feel like maybe I'm giving not enough, right? I need to go bigger. Totally need to do more! Oh my god, here we go! Woohoo! Some people are gonna think I'm crazy. I guess I can fast forward some of this stuff.
Right here she lies. Here she lies.
Talk amongst yourselves. Here she is. I know you know. Or you don't. Maybe you don't. I got the PM St. Louis tote, which is their most classic tote. You know, sleek, simple color. It's like the black on black, comes in black on black and black on gold, and it also comes in all 9 other colors. Obviously, the 9 other colors are more expensive. I had a red one over there. If I had a cameraman, we could turn it over there. Okay. But anyway, so, it's so pretty. You guys, it's so pretty. It's so small though. I mean, like, actually, I don't know if I would actually use this because it's literally so small. Like, compared to this one, look at that size difference. Okay, now here's the thing. This one comes at one price, the other color comes at another price. This one comes at a higher price because it's special edition, limited edition, all that fun stuff. But look at it. It smells brand new. If you're buying one online secondhand or you're buying one from, even from like the resale websites, I can do a video where I tell you literally all the ways you can know if something's fake or not. The design, the stitching, the color, the chevron pattern, like details about the dots. So pretty. So yeah, this one's really small. It's like more like a literally on the go. I'm probably too tall, so I'm gonna like literally squat and model it sideways like this because I don't want to move the camera. Frickin'. That's what this baby looks like sideways. It's pretty small, but like you can carry all your essentials in here. It's literally nothing inside. I would get a like a freaking purse organizer or bag organizer. Comes with a tag attached. Comes with a pochette, detachable, but you know, not with the string doesn't come off, which is kind of annoying. And it's like a wristlet. You know, interesting. I bought it yesterday, but it's dated 2019. Anyway, pochette, little thing, little chevron, little thing, little chevron. Little cover, protective, takes it off. You got your info in here. This thing. That's not really anything. This one little pocket, back pocket. You can put your phone in here, put like small things. It's not really big. It's not very, there's a bunch of videos reviewing this bag. I'm not gonna go through the reviews of this bag because you can watch something else to review this bag. But it's a great bag if you wanna get your first bag, and it's probably one of the cheapest things at the store. Oh no, it's not one of the cheapest things at the store. Oh, I said that. Wow. I'm just talking out of my butt now. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna put this back in. It's so, you guys, oh, so beautiful. And the plastic wrap is always on the handles. That's how you know. But yeah, beauty. 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 Okay, she's going back in. We're taking a break, and then we're coming back. I'm having a second video because I feel like this is a really long video already. So we're gonna cut. We'll do part 2 later because I'm starting to sweat because these lights are hot as balls and hot outside, and I gotta get back to work actually. So I'm gonna do another video later. If you like this, let me know and I'll do more. If you didn't like it, also let me know and I'll still do more. No, just kidding. Kind of. But like if this gets like at least 5 views, I'll do another one. And if it gets like 10 views, I'll buy another bag. If it gets like 20 views, if it gets like 20 views, you guys, we're in crazy territory there. I don't even, it really has like 100 views. Woo! Out the window. Maybe I'll buy everyone a Goyard. So yeah, I feel like I should cut, but okay. I'm gonna cut. This is for bloopers? Maybe. Who knows? Bye!